Bruno, okay? Now this one I need people to pay attention. One kagenda kazibu nnyo naye kagenda tuluma fenna. I had my sister Fina talk about these companies. She's right. I have a case with YouTube. Somebody claimed I'm Kenyan, took my music. I've never been Kenyan, but they sent documents to YouTube. And then these guys accepted these fake documents. YouTube is in wrong because I wrote to them and told them that these documents are fake. They know that. But because they know that we cannot do anything to them. But here is the solution. And I know it is going to hurt very many of you, but it is the easiest solution. You all know what is the apex body of this federation. The apex body of musicians is the Uganda Musicians Federation. Okay. The Nigerians have YouTube, on Spotify, Tidal, all those, they're in Nigeria. Why? These guys are organized, they have a federation that represents them. The lawmakers, I was asking if there is a way you would, because I heard you were saying that some of our copyright cases need to be listened to by the registrar. If there is a way you would also empower the apex body of musicians to somehow, I don't know, help us maybe lobby and get these companies here. That way it will help musicians. If the body is the federation that you have accepted it, then let it lobby for these companies to come here, or maybe have representatives here, so that musicians don't have to struggle. It is expensive for Bruno as a person to reach out to YouTube and even report a case to them. But if we have like a body that represents all musicians, we will not have these cases of musicians being cheated online, like YouTube. Very many people don't own their YouTubes. One of us know YouTubes are this not what the office YouTube one. Now everyone are now represented by YouTube. YouTube is a but YouTube just what bad is a body to represent. So let us all accept that maybe if somehow they think of empowering the body, that if we work with the federation, there are certain things we will reach out together. Because federation is thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So let me, since he has been talking about the federation, let me give the president of the federation one chance. We are coming, sir. We are moving that side. Please go ahead. He's only commenting and we are coming here. He's not talking as the president. But you be balanced. Don't worry, take it easy, my brother. Take it easy. First and foremost, in Sabah Baraka Sakano, or was about to eat it when I was on. Or running over my son, come out of zero. Nenze njagadde kukatiriza katono mwanyinaze kansibi byayogedde mwanyinaze Fina byabaddemu eggumba. Omanyi mu copyright eno gyemulaba tutudde wano naye buli wali ssente bwe wali obuzibu. Byonna bonna bajja kubyogera naye eriso mulitekenye ewali ki? Ewali ssente. Kuba bwe wali ki? Obuzibu. Bwe munaaba temutunuddeawo obudde mujja kuba mumaze bwa bwereere. Babawadde akakisa nti okkirizibwa okuwandiika ebirowoozo byo n'obitwala ku lolifoomu oba ku URSB. Ekyo temukitwala for granted. Please do. Obupapula bwebo bungi nabo bategeere how concerned you are. Oba ekitegeera. So badde nsaba ensonga ya CRBTs bamaking sure that at least numbers bateekamu percentage kisobole okubeera protected. Ebeeremu ate ng'omuyimbi yatwala percentage ekola ki? Esinga obungi. Awo just tegeezako okukatiriza ne bannyinaze babadde bakyogeddeko dda. Private copy levy sente ezo bwe ziba zimaze okusolozebwa wabo zigenda era ffe banyini music waffe bannanyini betukulyetinze zitutuukako zitya awo nawe waliwo ekinyusi bannange temwerabira njagadde kuyimuka njogere so that I can be on record.
What would be your proposal in that line?
Private copyleft, this will be my proposal.
Who should correct?
And how should it? This will be my proposal. Ngafina bwe yagambye bwe tuba tuzeyo sente ezigenda ku registra general ku URSP tulina okulyetinga fandi eyaffe kubanga ezo sente zaffe ate bwe zinagenda eno n'atema percentage n'oli n'atema percentage ekyokubiri ffe tulina obuzibu bwa CMO ebbanga lyonna bagenda mwami wasula kyamukisa mulungi namulabyeko wano bateekamu monopolism ng'erina kubaabwemu there is no competition so tetulina option kakati balina receiving end no balina receiving distribution tewali era ne private copyleft sente zigende mu ebyo ekyokubiri emitwalo gino etaano gye basabye twagala babeere kiriya alubamu ku luyimba kuki wabwe luba luyimba omuntu agenda kukola alubamu yenyimba abiri abaana abamu tebalina sente leero tetusobola kweteeseza ffekka tulina okuteeseza n'abantu abalijjawo abamu ku future tulina okuteeseza abantu abatalina wadde ekikulu enyimba 225 zisente mmeka oba okitegeera ebyo byonna jagadde kukkaatiriza n'obutavaakulwawo nnyo so that abantu bali bafuna balance nsaba mukama ab'omukisa. Thank you so much for coming.